Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Bia. This video is a little different. I'm just doing a lash fan practice and I am preparing to come out of lockdown basically and start doing lashes again. So I thought I would do some lash fans, and last time I did talk to you guys about crystallizing fans, I'm pretty sure, so I wanted to do that in this video. I didn't get onto crystallizing fans until literally maybe a couple weeks ago, where I tried it on myself and I still have those lashes on. They lasted so much better on myself. The bases are snatched and just perfect, and I am going to be using that technique on my clients as well, and it's perfect for pre-making fans, especially if you like to perfect your fans. Obviously that is the goal whenever applying them, that the bases are perfect. So if you have to pre-make them just to save some time as well, go for it and do that. So basically crystallizing fans is where you pinch with your fingers once you've put some glue on them. Now, I never liked this idea of pinching them after putting glue on because I don't agree with having this really serious glue touch your skin. It's not good for you. I do not recommend that. But this lash glue that I'm using is the VI's Lash Glue. Is a super quick drying glue. It's a half a second to 1 second. So I literally can wait it out until there is no glue like residue on my fingers, and that's when I pinch it. You have to get it literally at the right moment for that, so that you can still pinch without it being too dry, obviously, and without the glue being too fresh so that there's glue residue on your fingers. But you can see me here. Basically, you do the pinch method with your fans, and then what you do is you literally like barely even dip in the base, and then I just kind of like hold it and wait to see if it will dry like a little bit, and then I go and pinch it between my fingers again just to get that really pointy tip. So at the end of this video, I'm showing you guys one of the lashes that I did and how pointy it really gets. It's insane. It is actually such a good technique. I fell in love with it like a couple weeks ago and was like, wow, okay, I have been missing out. I really need to try this. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I did a poll on my Instagram and lots of you guys responded and said that you wanted me to show it in a reel. So I'm probably gonna turn some of this footage into a reel. And so you can check that out on bia.lashes on Instagram as well if you guys want some more tips like this. But I really am loving it, especially on the lashes on myself. I just was able to focus on the base, and then what you do is when you're ready to apply it, you dip it back into glue and apply it. So I don't know what it is about it, but just like something about the base just being so thin after you pinch it again, like I have no words. It's just amazing how it attaches to the natural lash just like so flawlessly, even doing it on myself, which again, I do not recommend. You should be licensed and know better not to do this. I just recently read a horror story of somebody dropping an eyelash into their eye. They had to go to the emergency room and everything. So definitely do not copy this. It's just something I do and that I just show you guys so you can watch. Anyways, this is it. That's really how simple doing crystallizing fans is. You literally barely dip it into the glue, so make sure there's not a lot of glue. You wait for it to dry a little bit. So this has to be a glue that is a very fast drying glue. Can definitely recommend the VI's. And then in the next clip, you guys will see what these lashes look like. I did some decurl, 14 millimeters, and then the one I'm showing you, I'm pretty sure the ones I'm working on right now are a C curl. Like, look at that. It's beautiful. I think I'm brightening up the camera here as well in a second. And like that base is amazing. It's rare that it looks that perfect whenever I dip it into glue without crystallizing it. So yeah, if you guys like this technique, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you like this voiceover, do that as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.